So, this is part 2 of our roast beef that we did for dinner last night.
Part 2.
Part 2. So I took some of the roast beef left over, I sliced it up into nice little thin slices. Heated it up in the microwave real quick. Now comes barbecue sauce.
Yum, yum.
You can use any kind you want, make your own, store-bought, doesn't matter. Whatever you like. We're not particular. Give this a good stir.
Tagalog, honey.
Hindi, walang Tagalog.
Ito po yung luto kahapon, beef. Ngayon, maraming sobra.
More sauce.
So ngayon po, ginawa namin sandwich ngayon. Kakainin namin. Sa sandwich, guys. With barbecue sauce.
So the meat's done. And we're gonna take our cheese.
And slice the cheese.
Some nice thin slices of the cheese, because everything's better with cheese.
It's going to melt because the beef is still hot. Diba?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's enough cheese. Honey, how many you?
Need 2 for each one.
Oh, okay. Slice that.
Some onions.
Very thin slice. I broke my wrist. I can't slice right now.
Didn't break your wrist.
No, my wrist is hurting.
Onions. So now we have hamburger buns. We toasted them. So they're nice and warm. Now comes the fun part.
So yummy. So the beef is very versatile. You can, right?
Yep.
Can make it different way. Eat it different way.
Fill up each little sandwich. Some more on this guy. Some more over here. Get it all used up so we don't have any left over.
Yay.
Here comes the cheese. Oops, hold on. Not done yet.
Huh?
Cheese.
I already put onions,
Come
man.
on. We got something else though.
Oh,
Cheese.
yeah. Meron pa.
Onion. Onions. Chow.
Chow. Release, tomato relish from my garden.
Made with our green tomatoes that got killed from the frost last year when summer was over. Put a dab of chow on each
Ginawa
one.
kong relish yung tomatong
And hot peppers.
green tomato, guys. Okay, so yum. All right. Walang tomato?
No, we have tomato. Green tomato. Bless you. So, let's testing it.
Okay. Eat it.
Higher.
Proving. Is it melted yet?
No.
That's dripping.
That's chow. Sauce is gonna soak into the bread.
Just let it show your face. Bite again. Was it good? Okay. Wow. Oh yeah. Definitely. Mine. Kain po tayo. Oh, that's the sandwich. Sandwich.
Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a like if you like the video, or comments down below for a thumbs up, or click the bell icon to be notified for more videos. Anything else?
Hope you like our video.
Hope you like it.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.